Got two leaners today. This tree right here, rotting in the center, leaning into my property. Gonna be putting a fence line here. It's gotta go. Could not push it over with the skid steer. It's gonna get cut down too. A few times I'm gonna wear a hard helmet because, you know, it's got vines and dead limbs. That one's had vine and dead limbs on it as well. Yeah, you can make fun of the start. I should have started on the other side of the tree. Better footing, better positioning, but still a decent break. Yeah, I'm way too high, but safe fall, fell. Exactly where I wanted to do. Now the other one's gonna come on top of it. This one's kind of a scary one. Got that notch out. Half the tree's alive, half the tree isn't. I do a plunge cut and then cut back. So I have a strip to hold on tight to when I break that, it'll go. It is naturally leaning that way. That way just scares me because when it goes, it goes. It's not a slow go usually. If I cut in from the back going in, it's too weak to hold itself. It goes too early and I cannot control the direction at all. It's not leaning that bad. I think I'm gonna do the back cut still. Well, fell where I wanted to decently. First tree took a while to cut down because this has been dead for a long time. Hard, dry, seasoned wood is a lot harder to cut than that big tree, which was somewhat alive and had lots of moisture in it. That cut like butter. I was lucky that I got even this big of chips. The other tree, chips are almost twice the size.